Mathematics Part 1, Chapter number 3, Arithmetic Progression. Problem set 3. Question number 12. If the sum of the first p terms of AP is equal to the sum of the q terms, then show that the sum of its first p plus q term is 0 where p not equal to 0. Therefore the first term is a and common difference d. So by condition n equal to p and n equal to q. Yes, sum of p term equal to sum of q term. So formula is n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So we put n is equal to p. So twice a plus n minus 1 means p minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to q. So n by 2 means q by 2. Twice a plus n means q minus 1 into d. Complete, bracket complete. Multiply on both sides by 2. So 2 to cancel. So p into bracket 2a plus p minus 1 into d equal to q into bracket 2a plus q minus 1 into d. So p into a is 2. p ने multiply किया p into bracket p minus 1 into d, q into 2a plus q into bracket q minus 1 into d. So 2pa p minus 1 into d minus 2qa minus q into q minus 1d equal to 0. Here 2pa minus 2qa common point जवळ लिहिले, right to near. So p into bracket p minus 1 into d minus q into q minus 1 into d. So here common, take 2a common. So p minus q plus p into bracket p minus 1 minus q into bracket q minus 1. Both d are common. So goes to bracket extends. So 2a q p minus q plus p square minus p q square minus minus plus q bracket complete d equal to 0. Here 2a p minus q plus p square is our लिहिले minus q square minus common. So p plus minus q bracket complete into d. So 2a p minus q in first bracket plus, here is a formula, p square minus q square, p plus q, p minus q minus p minus q bracket complete into d. So 2a p minus q plus p plus q minus 1 remaining and p minus q common, also d common. So p minus q goes to common point. So 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. But q not equal to 0. So p plus q not equal to 0. So twice a plus p plus q minus 1 bracket complete d equal to 0. Equation number 1. So write sum of p plus q terms. So formula is n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Put n is equal to p plus q. Here n is equal to p plus q, n is equal to p plus q. Put the value. Then p plus q upon 2 into this value is 0 from equation 1. So p plus q term is sum of p plus q is 0. Prove that in this way. Example number 13. If m times the mth term of an AP is equal to the n times the nth term, then show that the m plus nth term of the AP is 0. So tmth term, m times tm term equal to n times tnth term. So formula is m into a plus n minus 1 means a m is equal to n is equal to m. So m minus 1 into d. So n into bracket a plus n minus 1 into d. So m into bracket a plus m minus 1 into d minus here equal to, so here is minus n into bracket a plus n minus 1 into d. So m into a, m into m square minus m bracket complete d minus n into a, n into n square minus n bracket complete d equal to 0. So m a and n goes to near, so जवळ लिहिले ते, आणि m square minus m plus minus n square minus n bracket d is common, so goes to bracket outside. So here is a common, m minus n plus m square minus m minus n square minus plus n bracket complete d equal to 0. So a into bracket m minus n plus m square minus n square minus m minus n, m minus n, because minus is common, so minus plus minus plus, and common d equal to 0. So a m minus n plus m plus n m minus n second bracket minus m minus n bracket complete d equal to 0. So a into bracket m minus n plus m minus n m plus n minus 1 bracket complete d equal to 0. So m minus n and bracket into bracket, here m minus n is common, so here a plus m plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. So take the common m minus n both. So m minus n not equal to 0 because m is not equal to n. So a plus m plus n minus 1 bracket complete d equal to 0, equation number 1. So t m plus n term, a plus, here n is equal to m plus n minus 1 bracket complete d. So a plus m plus n minus 1 bracket complete d. So from equation 1 the value is 0. So t m plus nth term is 0. Prove that in this way. We solve the example number 13. In example number 14, rupees 1000 is invested at 10% simple interest check at the end of every year if the total interest amount is in AP. If this is an arithmetic progression, then find interest amount after 20 years. For this, complete the following activity. Simple interest formula P into N into R upon 100. Simple interest after 1 year is 1000 into 10 into 1 upon 100. So 0 cancel. So here is 100 rupees. So simple year interest for second year, here is 2 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, means 100 into 2, 200. So for 3 years, here is 1000, 10 into 3, so here 0 cancel, 100 into 3 is 300. For according to this simple interest, 4, 5, 6 year will be 400, 500 and 600, means 1 year 100, second year 200, third year 300, 5 year 400, fifth year 500 and 6 year 600. So respectively, from this D is equal to 200 minus 100 means 100, and A equal to for 1 year is 100. So amount of simple interest after 20 years is Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is the formula. So here T20, A is 100 because first here N minus 1 into D, D is also 100. So here we calculate 100 plus 20 minus 1, 19 into 100, 900, 1900. 19 into 100 is 9. So here is T20 for simple interest is 20 years is 2000 rupees. So amount of simple interest after 20 years is 2000 rupees. In this way we solve the example.